What's up, YouTube? This is Ben from Underrated Garage, aka Car Builder on Instagram, and I'm coming at you with another 3000 GT video today. I'm gonna show you an update on some work I've done to it and reveal the new wheels and put them on. A lot of you probably saw on my Instagram reels and stories, but in the last couple weeks I had this 6G72 apart and I was doing some maintenance on it. Cleaned out the throttle body and the ports on the plenums and regasketed all of it, as well as a tune-up including new plugs and wires, air filter, oil change, transmission fluid change. I did some pulls in it. It feels really healthy, runs smooth. Now the main focus of this video is replacing these chrome 17-inch OEM wheels from Mitsubishi. They are pretty aged and you can see they're peeling. The chrome is all trying to come off of them, and it is an outdated style. You can see this is her bad side. A lot of the chrome is already missing off this wheel, so I know it was only a matter of time until that happened to the rest of them because it's already starting to lift around the edges. So here it is, the new setup for the 3000 GT. Evo 10 OEM Enkeis, 18s, 8.5 wide. Really nice looking and nice spec'd wheel. I think that'll suit this car much better. Here's a little side-by-side comparison of before and after. Front's in the air. Ready to take this ugliness off. I learned something new today. Mitsubishi's use straight cut lug nuts. So out of all the many sets of lug nuts I have, I can't use any of them for this car because they're all like cone style and I had to buy a straight set for this thing. So for now, I'll be reusing the rusty lug nuts. This is big upgrades right here. Now to do the rears and then see how she's looking on the ground. So here it is, Evo 10 Enkeis on my 98 3000 GT. It looks so much better than those stock peeling chrome wheels. I think these wheels suit this car very well. We're still rocking like 4 inches of wheel gap here, but obviously, you know I'm gonna put some coilovers on this thing and fix that right up. Get the fitment dialed at some point, but not a big chrome guy. I think the silver is much classier. Just looks good. And they're actually the same width as the OEMs for this car, but the offset's a little lower. So they do fit a little bit flusher